smoke. He wants to fight. He wants to be belligerent. He slammed me into a wall at the house. He stole my pistol.
Before you put me on arrest, please. First thing, are they gonna post my bail tonight?
Did he say where the round was, where it was shot? There's blood everywhere. I'm trying to find the kid.
Oh my God!
What began as a routine response quickly took a serious turn. With every new detail, the risk became clearer. This wasn't just unstable, it was extremely dangerous.
17 as a CYA?
Sure.
No, never. It doesn't smell like marijuana, but it's
This is when hero cops realize this situation is extremely dangerous. Here is Law Zone, where features real police body cam footage documenting how officers handle tense and unpredictable situations as they happen. The first incident is that cops rescue two kids from a living nightmare inside their home.
And then well, on her period, so I haven't mopped the floors yet.
Why aren't you in school?
Because I know you guys were involved, and I was scared, and I'm trying to fix it. So his urine smells of terrible ammonia. Yeah.
On May 20th, 2025, officers responded after a 5-year-old juvenile was brought to an emergency room, prompting a welfare check at a residence on Bunker Lane in Palm Coast, Florida.
No, never. It doesn't smell like marijuana, but it's not. So is it just you tonight? Okay. I can't remember. You're Miss Wicks, correct? Okay. So do you have a spot where we can go in where it's like a little bit less cold and hot? Can we go inside? Yeah. Okay. It's a little messy right now, but we just have to leave it.
And then well, on her period, so I haven't mopped the floors yet.
Why aren't you in school?
Anytime to do this.
I don't want to stay in the room, Mom.
And
I
I've
want to
asked
stay on the
for
porch.
things to change.
So I can
And
play
I've
ball.
begged because I know you guys were involved, and I was scared, guys. And I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to fix it with so much bleach and everything, but it keeps happening and it won't stop. And I don't know what to do, and I'm so sorry.
But you're getting yourself all worked up, okay? There's also some concerns that are related to your new partner. Tell me what your relationship with him is like.
It's perfectly fine.
Okay. Does he put hands on you?
No, never. Never.
Is there anybody else in the house putting hands on you?
No.
Another male? No?
No.
Okay. I just have to touch base with you because last time I was here, the other mom was dealing with it. I mean, you girls have, you know, I don't know about your
I
family,
understand
you know
that,
what I mean?
but
Just
I've
to
known
make
this
sure you're
man for
okay.
over 10 years. We're like high school sweethearts.
How long has Vito been staying here?
He's only been staying here since the
feels
end of
small,
February.
Responding personnel described the residence as heavily soiled and malodorous, reporting urine ammonia, feces, mold, dead roaches, and an inoperable kitchen sink where dishes were washed in a bathtub.
Feel small.
He's small?
No, his
feel
mom.
small.
His mom, we go over there a lot too. That's also why we don't really hear as
And
much.
feel sad too.
Is this the home that your family owns?
No, this is the home that Lex's
Lexi's,
family
yeah.
owns.
Does she still own it though? Because when I
Her
was here
brother
last-
does.
John?
And he works. He works a lot. He doesn't get off until like 5.
Because I know that there had been some flooding too. Has the health department been out to inspect it for mold or anything?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, where's my booty
No,
ball?
not right now,
As far
baby.
as the,
Hello.
we'll drug screen you.
It's
I mean,
too
I know
bad, baby,
you, so
okay?
if he has follow-up, because I know this case a little differently, so
Baby,
if you have additional things you'd like me to ask of her.
Okay. Is there anybody else doing drugs in the house?
No, we just do the medical marijuana. That's
But
it.
you do that in the house?
No, we do it outside.
Was Lexi smoked inside though?
Yeah, but she doesn't live here anymore. We don't ever. No, never.
It doesn't smell like marijuana, but it smells like urine. I'm not gonna
Because
lie. You smell
I
like you
just-
have like 20 cats in there.
I explained it again.
But no, I'm
He does
telling you,
a lot
there's a
of,
difference between a cat and
medications and stuff, and he overdoses his medication. So his urine smells of terrible ammonia.
and exploring his substance use, right? Are the children being exposed to it?
He keeps everything in his safe.
Is alcohol?
His alcohol and everything he keeps in his safe.
But he's getting drunk.
Officers speak with on-scene adults and a Department of Children and Families DCF agent. The caregiver reports medication use, insomnia/anxiety medication, and difficulty waking, and other household dynamics are discussed.
So where's he getting drunk?
In his room. His room. He pisses himself. And he pisses on number. Like he gets up and he pisses on number. Like we've had instances where he's tried to come out and pee out here. And I was warned by my landlord if I call the cops, I get kicked out and evicted, and I have 2 children away and nowhere to go. We're desperately I'm going on Social Security so I can have income coming in. He's got a really nice job, pays really good. We're trying to get out of here. We're desperately trying to get out of here. We're looking at a couple months, and by the end of the year, we're not going to be here. I was trying to get out of here with my taxes, but they made me pay house taxes because nobody else had taxes coming in. So I either paid house taxes or I got out as soon as possible.
Because and then what's up with the garbage service? When did that stop? Who's responsible for that?
John, because they told us we could pay $60 to add on to a can, so...
Hey!
Well, you guys just need to go, collectively do it.
Megan!
We've done a couple dump runs.
No, bro. Get.
We've done a couple dump runs. Our late friend Dakota, he just passed away 3 weeks ago. He was helping us take stuff to the dump back and forth a couple times a week. Dakota Reynolds, he just passed away.
Child's father?
No, oh, he's not named Dakota. No.
Where
He's
is their
his
dad?
high school. Corey, I have not heard of. Our
was
child
the
support case.
abusive one, right?
Yes, he's the one that had the misdemeanor on him. He has not been anywhere close to us since.
Officers interview residents about household routines, supervision, and substance use. The caregiver and others describe attempts to secure housing and help, and mention the recent loss of a person who assisted with trash runs.
Over a year. Our case closes on June 4th for his,
Not you. Go inside. Rue, inside. Hi, baby. You're outside playing in the dirt again?
no.
Uh-huh.
He's inside. And a couple Oreos to his body on the body.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Watch out, baby.
I'm trying to bribe her with this 50 potty train. We had breakfast this morning at eggs and hash browns.
Well, I know it's fed. A little messy, but... You're going to go to school next year, though, right?
She's going to school in the fall.
In the fall?
In the
Where's she going?
I got an appointment to take her down to school for next month.
Okay, you don't know yet.
No. We're gonna try and get her on a
Need an IEP
It's like
speech?
that. I've gotten told by my doctor specialist that he knows a lot. I don't feel angry or get upset. She knows everything. I was like that as a child, and they didn't do anything about it. So I was just bored, and I was acting out in class because I was bored. I knew everything. I aced every test. So I just want to make sure that I'm not going to do that.
You're covered in bug bites. Are those, what kind of bugs? Are these?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes?
Mosquitoes.
You scratch them, huh?
Mm.
You need bug bite makeup, I think.
No, I don't.
No.
Next thing to make our boo-boos go away.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
pretty smart.
An officer speaks directly with a dependent, documents visible insect bites and bruising, and confirms plans for school enrollment and possible future supports.
You want to step in, and I'm going to out here with me, okay? I'm gonna close the door to have privacy. You trust that I'm gonna take good care. Okay, you're gonna just talk to me for a minute, okay, kiddo?
Okay.
So look at me. You remember me?
What's your name?
My name is Shauna. What's your name? We mainly sometimes we in the butt depending on how bad it is. We get
It's a fun song.
first, and if it keeps happening, then we, 1, 2 on the butt.
You never use
Bubble up.
anything else besides your hands?
No.
Help!
No.
And it's just you and Vito that's doing the discipline. That's nobody else.
Yeah, he doesn't really spank her, no. He just. How long have you guys been together? Since January. January of this year.
When we stop.
And you're 10 weeks pregnant.
Now I
But you
kiss
guys have
you
known each other.
because I'm stuck.
In the time that you guys were together in the past, has he ever hit, kick, punch, bit, spat, control your finances? No. You know the difference between domestic violence.
Can help, please?
Domestic violence.
I said I will help. I will help, please.
Is there anybody locking you guys in
I
the
will
room?
help to get the book out so I can open this door.
Sometimes I lock myself in the room, but
Yeah,
that's when
I hear you.
we're taking a nap.
Yeah.
And that's because I don't want anybody, walking in on. Doesn't feel good. Lays down. Luca takes a nap. I'll take a nap. So and then like who's pissed at you right now? My friend's ex-boyfriend, Derek Wise.
I'm stuck,
Derek,
please.
yes. Is he back in the picture?
Investigators coordinate follow-up actions, request drug screening, and identify household members who may provide additional context to living conditions and supervision.
No, but he's mad at me because I am currently the mediator between his baby mama and
Does he have access to the house? Is he inside your home? No. Never?
he hasn't been in this home since December. Is he still with that one chick? No, they just broke up, in fact. When? They literally just broke up.
What's wrong?
I'm trying to get this door open.
Is she mad at you by any chance? No.
I'm not focused yet.
She's not mad at me. I talk to her every day. She comes over, she helps me with the kids. I
got your
babysit
seatbelt on.
hers. No, she's not mad at me at all. But he could be mad at me because I see his son.
Can my hand stuck, please?
He has his son. And he keeps his son on pack and play when his son can walk. My son is trying to walk. When he's over a year? Yeah. Your son? See how he's trying to get his feet, just his foot put together
I
there?
want to get out of the car.
The only thing he's a little worried about is walking. But he does walk. He does walk. I need contact information for his rehab. Okay. His phone number. And then I'm going to go grab a drug screen. I'm going to drug screen you. Okay. And then I'm going to need to speak to household members. So I need to be able to meet with John who technically lives close enough to you to have knowledge of what could be going on in the house. And I'm going to try to speak with Miss Davis as well. Okay. And this gentleman you said has just moved in. He's been living here since January. What I'll try to speak with him then as well. Why are you crying? To speak to all households. Calm down.
8 days later, officers return with arrest warrants. They locate the primary caregiver, inform her of warrants, and instruct other household members to cooperate while securing the premises.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. I'm looking for Miss Autumn Witt. That's you? Okay, I just had a couple of questions about... Hello, sweetie. We just had a few questions about DCF follow-up. Yeah, could you step out here for a minute with us?
Yeah, I just.
Are the kids in there by themselves?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of can't close the door. He's in there asleep.
How many kids are in there?
Only two.
Okay. Sweetie, you mind if I talk to your mom real quick?
And my mom and my dad. Well, my dad's at work.
Okay, baby, go watch TV.
Do you mind?
Okay?
You mind? Yeah, you mind closing the door? Thank you, ma'am. Just had a couple of questions. I just had to make sure you have any weapons on you.
No.
Yeah, if you don't mind, just facing that way. I'll check in.
I have my other vape pen in my pocket.
Okay, man, go. Put your hands behind your back, man.
So, what's happening?
So you have a warrant, 2 warrants for your arrest.
I'm sorry?
You have 2 warrants for your arrest.
For what?
Child neglect. 2 counts. $50,000 bond.
You said who else is in the house, man?
Vinny!
Hey, stop!
Vinny!
Stop! What are you doing? Here, come here. Come out here, man.
Can I hand these to him, please?
Give me a minute. I'll hand it to him.
Adult inside the house? We just
Yes.
didn't want your
Yeah.
child here. We just have to talk to your mom really quick.
There's a Vinny inside.
Is Vinny? Can you go get Vinny for us?
Officers conduct a brief search and pat-down for safety, explain transport procedures, and arrange notifications to family members while preparing to take the caregiver into custody.
Who's Vinny, man? Give me that. Give me all of this.
How many kids are here? He's coming.
Hello? Hi, help me out.
You might just close the door.
Yeah.
Side,
Just
please.
have Percept inside.
Please.
What's going on?
She's under arrest.
Okay.
Alright, she has 2 warrants.
12:05, 1 detained.
For child neglect. 2 counts. $50,000
Ma'am, do you have anything else besides this on you?
Are you able to take care of it? Yeah, I can take care of it. I'm gonna call her mom.
Call my mom.
You want to leave all this, ma'am?
Yes,
What's your
please.
pen
Can
on
you
your
please
phone?
hand that to him?
Yeah.
My uncle's death date 11/23/20.
11/23/20.
Yes.
Okay.
My mom's Donna Panzarella. You can call my sister and let her know, or at least text her. That's Lissy.
Alright.
She's under Sissy. But my mom will probably tell her.
Okay, I'll call Vito and I'll call your mom right away. What's the pen again? 11/28.
11/23/20.
I think it's a $50,000 bond.
Okay.
Much stuff here, man.
Thank you, guys.
You don't mind if I take 2 gloves from your box, right?
No. You might just pop it. I just gotta move my laptop.
Yeah.
You got the notes on the passenger side, so I'll put them on.
Yeah.
Because they're on the, or I'll move it.
You know if we got a female for a search?
Oh, you better know.
Alright. Give me a fair around this face here. Yeah, and she stated she doesn't have anything else.
Yeah.
Just searching here. Anything do you have? Anything? You have nothing else? No pockets, right? These fans don't have any pockets? Nothing else, just the shorts and the shirt.
I don't even have an extra phone.
Or just make you aware so once you get into the car and you go to the jail, if you have anything in your bra, stuff inside of you or anything like that, it is an additional charge for introduction to non-example. I just gotta explain that to everybody.
Watch your head now.
The 26-year-old mother was charged with 1 count of neglect of a dependent without great bodily harm. She was booked into the Flagler County Jail with a bond set at $2,500, while the juveniles were temporarily placed under DCF supervision pending further resolution. Remember, unsanitary or unsafe living conditions that affect dependents can prompt immediate welfare checks and involvement of law enforcement and child welfare agencies. Addressing housing sanitation and supervision concerns early and cooperating with social service professionals can reduce escalation and protect dependents' safety. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Hearing about the inoperable sink and infestation was shocking. Glad the welfare check happened. Tough situation all around. Hope the family gets housing help and the dependents get stable care. Officers documented a lot of details that paperwork will matter for follow-up with DCF. Think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when police step in. When 13-year-old arrives at school visibly harmed.
It's out of control. He wants to smoke. He wants to fight. He wants to be belligerent, talk crazy, reckless.
On August 22nd, 2023, officers are called to a school after a 13-year-old student arrived with visible injuries, claiming his mother struck him during a morning argument.
17 as a CYA.
Sure.
I don't know. Here to talk to you.
Right now, at the present moment, you're not under arrest. So let's start from the beginning. Okay, I'm Officer Gilbert, Atlanta Police Department. The reason I was called here today is because of the incident that happened with your son. First question is, where do you guys live?
We stay at 2255 Burroughs Avenue.
So y'all will come.
Several officers out there. Oh my. This is not the first time we've had this altercation.
I got you.
He was.
The mother admits to impact her son during a verbal dispute in the car, stating he was being disrespectful and out of control.
Disrespectful. He wants to, talk to me crazy. So much in my house. I'm not going to deal with it.
How old is he?
He's 13.
Okay.
So what happened this morning?
This morning, first of all, he woke up with the wrong attitude because he didn't want to come to school. So we get up, I said, eat your breakfast. I eat breakfast. No problem, let's go. He gets in the back of the car, he's just talking that you stupid. Just talking reckless. Self-respect, and I said, yeah. I said, you're going to watch your mouth when you speak to me. Oh, this. You put your hands on me. We're on the side of the road in traffic. You don't want to calm down.
Officers discuss the legal difference between chastisement and battery, noting that injury severity matters.
I got my other son in the car. You want to all act all belligerent. I'm chasing you all around.
So keep going. Keep going.
And that, from the slap, that's what brought that blood to his head.
You said you hit him with a soda can.
I don't even have no soda cans.
That sounds like chastisement, not battery.
I'm tired of him, man. I'm sick of
Would you
him.
agree?
Yeah.
Because if my son or daughter were telling me to go f myself, I'd slap him in the face.
Okay, cool.
Cool. All right.
Can y'all talk to him?
Where is
please?
I'll go get him.
Maybe an information 17 as a CYA.
Sure.
What?
Unruly petition.
I already have an unruly petition.
Well, that's all we can do. Listen, I understand your frustration, but we don't have no control over the juvenile system. Trust me, if we did, things would be completely different. We have no control. That's why, you know how if you go to court, where you guys go to Fulton County, big, right? When he goes to court, he goes to Fulton County Juvenile.
The 13-year-old gives his account, stating his mother physical impacted him with a metal container, pulled his hair, and attempted to choke him.
All right, what happened this morning?
So, we was in the house because I just got back yesterday.
Okay. Hold on. I was about to ask you, do you need me to step out?
Let me step.
All right, go ahead. All right, go ahead.
Yeah, I just got back yesterday. Was in the house, woke up, put my clothes on, stuff like that. So made me a bowl of cereal, and then mom just came in there and started tripping. She was like, oh yeah, y'all just eating up all my food and stuff like that. So I was just like, I just got back, all I had just got a bowl of shit. She just kept on egging on it. So then I just left her room, just went and got in the car and stuff. So then she came outside. Then she came outside with an attitude and started tripping again. So we in the car, driving to take my baby brother to school. So we going back and forth. So like she pulled over. So like all I knew, like she had like a little can. I think it was car oil or something, like a metal can. It like hit me upside my head.
Let me see.
Officers observe a significant head injury that appears to require stitches, raising concerns beyond simple discipline.
Yeah, take it back there. Okay, you take it back.
Hit me upside my head with that, just trying to choke me. She hit me with it, you know, like straight the skin. I was just pulling my hair, letting go of me and stuff like that.
Okay.
And she stopped, and we got back to driving and stuff and dropped my brother off and everything.
Okay. So what were y'all arguing about?
It started off with us arguing about us eating some chicken.
Okay.
And then it just led off from that to her just because I was like, she kept saying like how she buy everything, and I was just like, Mom, you don't buy everything and stuff like that. So then she got mad and stuff like that. So then she pulled the car over. And she just started fighting me and stuff.
Would you call her mama her name?
No, I wasn't.
You weren't disrespectful?
I wouldn't call her out her name. I might have cussed a couple times, but I wouldn't call her out her name. I was like, "Mother, you tripping" and stuff like that.
What was it that she hit you with?
It was like a metal can with some type of liquid inside of it. Like, it's kind of like a spray bottle, but just in a metal can and like a little short bottle. She had it in her hand like this. She hit me up the head with it. Then got out the car and walked around. And then started punching up and hit me upside. Then she started hitting butting me with her head and stuff like that.
And you didn't fight her back at all?
Sit tight for a second, man. Sounds like the most rehearsed bit of I've heard in my life.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we called out right now. What did you facts say when you reported?
They asked me to call law enforcement, and then I said that our school resource officer already called, and then she just was like, okay. And then
School officials and DCF discuss temporary placement. The mother agrees the child should stay with his grandmother for the night.
she was like, could we not send the child home with the mother? But I said we don't have no control over that. And then the defects lady asked me for his grandmother number, and I gave it to her. So she said that she was gonna call, but I don't know. But when I spoke with the grandmother, she said that she's not gonna release him to her. So I don't know. Yeah, just the grandmother.
Let's see if we can get her to agree to releasing the grandmother for at least a night, so it doesn't elevate or escalate any further.
Okay. Yeah, she said she got to use that thing.
I'm not 100% sure. Who picked up the car, Gilbert? Where are those keys at?
White. I don't know who did the keys.
White had the keys. White picked up the car.
They said
Yeah.
not under arrest. They said it was time.
I'm not 100% sure. I'm dealing with this at the moment. Give him a call.
Nah, without you.
Does grandma live with you?
No.
Do you want the kid to go home with grandma?
I do, because my son is out of control. He wants to smoke. He wants to fight. He wants to be belligerent, talk crazy, reckless. This is not the first altercation we've had. He slammed me into our wall at the house. He stole my... I have an open case about that. He was just at my mother's house cursing. He was at my mother. He cursed my mama all the way out. You.
Did he come home to your house?
He came home yesterday when I got.
How long had he been at grandma's house?
He ain't even been at grandma's house. He walked to Miss Bobby's house in Fulton County.
Okay. Out of curiosity, is that your phone?
This is her phone.
Oh, let me have that. This is your mom's?
Yeah.
Are you okay going and staying at your grandma's house tonight?
Yeah.
You don't disrespect your grandma?
No, me and that's who usually when stuff like this happens.
How often does stuff like this with your mom happen?
Like, it's just some days, it's like off and on. It's like.
So no bullshit. Is sometimes it your fault?
Police confirm text messages in which the mother admitted hitting the child with a bottle, contradicting her earlier statement.
Sometimes
it's her fault. Right. We'll figure it out, but I think you're probably going to go home to your grandma's tonight. This is yours? Mom actually told me she would prefer him go home to grandma's tonight.
Yeah, she's probably gonna go to jail too. Yeah. She admitted to that she hit him in the head with a can. She just lied to us.
Okay. With whatever you want to do.
So defects are already been cut, so we don't have
Take
to.
him first.
You no.
I don't want it.
You don't want what? What's up?
I know how my daughter is. My daughter's bipolar. She'll take medicine. So when I tell you she cut up, she cuts up.
Well, she was ready to go earlier. She had put her hands in front of her and everything. But I'm a little bipolar too, so that's fine.
Well, everybody is everybody.
These days, yeah, everybody's got their moments.
Touch. I hope she don't go too much, because I might flare up too.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
All right, Mom.
So what y'all want
Grandma.
to?
So Makai's in there. I don't know if they're going to let him stay in school or if they
She
want
said
to
he
go
would
in and
start
take him.
tomorrow. I don't know.
Yeah, you remember they were enrolling him.
Okay.
Yeah. So what should I do? Just go tell her, hey, I'm about to take him to the ER because they said he needs stitches.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get her detained.
Can you do it outside? You're not gonna do it in here.
Anyway.
You're gonna do it in here?
I mean, why you want to do that?
I just can't.
I'd rather be in a confined space than. Can you email me those texts? I need your ideas.
Officers inform the teen that his mother will be arrested due to false statements and the extent of the injury.
Alright, so this is what's going to end up happening. Your mom's going to go to jail for battery. She lied to us and said she just hit you with her hand, but then she texted grandma that she hit you with the bottle. So she is going to go to jail for battery. You're technically not enrolled here yet, right? Tomorrow's supposed to be your first day. So your grandma's going to take you to go get looked at and probably get a couple of stitches, and then you're going to go home with her. Be nice to your grandma tonight. Alright, because she's going through a lot of right now, too.
K9 for 2304. 2303. He's out on the 7 stop as well.
You've been charged with battery. You've been charged with 2 counts of cruelty to children and 1 false rep.
How am I false rep?
Because you told me you didn't hit your son with a can. Watch your arm.
But I didn't hit him with a can.
Yeah, I got text messages. Watch your arm.
Sir, that text message was sent wrong. I didn't hit him with a can.
He got hit with something because that is a good-sized laceration that needs stitches.
Look at my forehead. Look at this gash. We were fighting in the back of the car and I head butted him. What am I supposed to do?
I honestly don't know.
How am I being arrested in this child? Like, I have so many cases against him. With the disrespect and the fighting and the smoking and the everything. Like,
With the extent of the injury and it requiring stitches, it clearly went past a level of just chastising the child, which is why you're going to jail.
sir, look at my forehead. Look at this knot on my forehead.
I understand that's because you were headbutting him and hitting him. You weren't just slapping him once to say, don't talk to me like that. This obviously was more.
Because he's continuously being you. I hate you. All this, his brother, my baby son was in the back seat. I stopped my car and I got out of my car. I'm not going to deal with the disrespect. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. I work too hard. Look at my car. Look at the car. He tore up my damn car. Beating up my car with a bat. I went downtown and got a petition. And, I'm with Mothers Against Gang Violence. All this.
The mother was arrested and charged with battery, 2 counts of cruelty to children, and false reporting after evidence showed the child's injuries required medical treatment and contradicted her initial statement. The child was released into the care of his grandmother while Child Protective Services continued its investigation. Remember, physical discipline that causes injury can quickly escalate into criminal charges. Conflicting statements and visible evidence often determine how police classify domestic incidents. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. There's a difference between discipline and causing a child to need stitches. Both sides sound overwhelmed, but the injury crossed the line. Glad the school stepped in before this got worse. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the body cam. And tell us if you would have done the same.
I don't have time for this today.
And you left it running?
Yes.
With your child inside?
Yes.
That's a 2-year-old child
Yes.
that can't make a decision, can't defend themselves with a vehicle that's running and unlocked.
On June 4th, 2024, officers responded to a college parking lot after a report that a child was left alone in a running, unlocked vehicle.
When we call this person, what are we going to ask them?
Are they at the CF campus and can they return to their vehicle?
Do they have a white Nissan, or are they using a white Nissan, or is she the parent of a... Nothing?
No, hang on just a minute.
Okay.
Just cross-reference it one more time.
I appreciate it.
Tell me it was 2010 last time she was registered as a student.
All right. Thank you, Mr. I'll call you back in just a moment if I need you.
Hi, this is Officer at the Ocala Police Department. Do you have a white Nissan SUV?
Hey, we're on the phone with right now.
Do you have a son?
Oh, you do?
Okay. Do you
Okay, sounds good.
be at the College of Central Florida right now?
She's in class. They're going to get her off.
Officers advise her of her rights and begin asking questions about her schedule and reason for leaving the child in the car.
Okay. Could you please return to your vehicle? Thank you.
Yeah, they finally found the schedule, so she's on her way out.
So detain her first, read her rights.
Well, when we say detain, we don't mean put her in handcuffs.
Okay.
She is not free to walk away.
Yeah.
She needs to be made aware. Hey, so do we have or someone coming out? Okay. Give her an opportunity to explain herself.
Yep. Does he need to get changed?
There are a couple of diapers.
I know that. I saw.
Okay. So I'm going to start by reading the right things are being detained right now. Okay. So you have the right.
Hang on. Before we start that, the baby's fine.
I know he is.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have time for this today.
Okay. I'm going to start with your rights, and then we'll have a conversation. So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained them to you?
Yes.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I don't want to, but I have to.
Would you like to speak to us about this incident that we're investigating?
I had gone in. I have.
We need a clear yes or no. If you're willing to speak to us with your rights in mind, are you going to speak with us?
I guess.
Okay.
Okay. So, what time did you get here this morning?
It was like 8:45. I have gone in to speak with my professor about class, and he was asleep whenever I dropped, and I didn't want to interrupt him.
All right, what class are you currently in right now?
I've got multiple classes.
What class right now were you in when you?
Anatomy.
Okay. Did you have a class after that?
No.
What time did the anatomy class start?
It was shortly between like 8:30, 8:45-ish.
So we'll get you the name and the case then. Yeah.
Courtney Elgin. Please go to the class that she's supposed to be in, and we'll get you said that you called her and said she's going to be out of class for a week to send her a test. So I don't know what kind of game she's playing, but send your stuff over to me. I'll do a report.
Okay, thank you.
Then you're aware that the doors to your car were unlocked?
Yes, because my driver door, I can't use that handle, so I had to leave. I had to leave the rest of it unlocked so I could get in.
There's one right there.
And you left it running?
Yes.
With your child inside?
Yes.
Hey, do you have a camera that looks at this lot? Are you able to maybe look at it and get us a time when she arrived or left that baby? Thanks. All right.
I know I shouldn't have done it. I'm sorry.
Officers explain the safety risks associated with leaving a young child unattended in a running vehicle.
I don't have any other...
Do you have ID with you?
I don't even think I have that.
You don't? Okay, that's fine. Can I get some of your contact information?
Yeah.
Okay.
You there on time?
No. She said she was late.
Okay.
No, my
Well, hey, Miss Courtney.
Windows right there.
Well, I know
so I can look
Miss
out.
Courtney, I'm going to interrupt you.
I'm sorry.
I know that you weren't here in this parking lot at 8:45 because there was a security officer here that called us prior to 8:45, a good bit before 8:45. There's a security camera that's right here that's going to tell us what time you got here. What time did you go inside?
It was right after 8.
I understand you're in a pickle.
I am because I mean...
I want you to listen. That's a 2-year-old child
Yes.
that can't make a decision, can't defend themselves with a vehicle that's running and unlocked. Could have come up here, jumped in that car, and your child could be in right now. That child...
I'm aware. I was saying my classes...
The woman acknowledges her mistake and explains childcare challenges she faced that morning.
Right there was one of the windows.
Okay.
Sit right by it.
Perfect. You sit by the window.
Just to look out. And
Hypothetically, you're looking out, you're keeping constant eye to make sure the baby's okay. You see someone get in that car, how quick can you get out here?
I drop everything.
Absolutely, but would you make it in time before that car's gone? There's no way.
It's going to be halfway to the highway by the time you get out of the classroom. Right?
So you were there just after class started or right as class started, soon after.
Yeah.
So you came out here about 8-10 minutes ago. That's an hour and 10 minutes, roughly. What time did your class end?
It ends at 9:50. So in about 30 minutes.
It would have been another little bit before you came out here. So that presents a huge problem. Who else cares for the child other than you?
I have him with one of my friends throughout the week because I have class Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, obviously. She canceled on me this morning. She wasn't able to do it.
Police discuss alternative care options and ask about family members who could assist.
Starts daycare at next week.
At the daycare here?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the one right over there. I have him a spot reserved, and all I have to do is pay the registration for his week. And I mean, my parents both work, and my husband's family's all in because that's where he's from. So other than that, it's just us.
And where's your husband?
He's at work right now.
Now, if we had to contact someone to come pick up, who is the best person for us to contact?
Please don't. I told my mom that I had it covered, and I had it covered except for today. So it's my fault.
But I'm just saying, if we have to contact someone, who is the best person for us to call?
Today it would be his grandmother, who's in Ocala.
Okay, and what's her name?
So, I want you to think of someone else in your situation, okay? Would you feel that that person was giving adequate care?
That person would have stayed home. And
that person would have made a great decision.
Fault.
Do you feel like you provided adequate care to the child while you were
today,
in?
no.
So,
the woman accepts responsibility and apologizes, stating it was a poor decision made under stress.
Because usually I have it all laid out, and
right,
it was just my fault
today was a hiccup. But what went through your mind to say, okay, you know, I'm just going to go and leave the baby, and we'll come back in an hour and a half?
That I sit right by the window. I can watch out and look, and I don't
okay.
know. I wasn't thinking.
We're gonna go with that philosophy a little bit more. You can look out the window, and you can see through this window, which has a black curtain over it, and see the baby and see if the baby's in distress.
No, but I can.
You can see the car.
Yes.
Can the baby get out of the car?
No.
Can the baby open the door?
No.
Can the baby roll down the window and?
On.
Exactly. Which is, I'm trying to get you to understand. Yes, you're sitting by the window. You can see your car, but you can't see anything that's going on inside the car.
I get that now. If the car is still running or if it shut off for some reason and then the baby's overheating.
I get that. Like I said, it was my fault today. I wasn't thinking. I should have just skipped class. It was my fault today. I really deeply apologize. It was my fault today. I had a big blunder. It was my fault. I woke up late at the house. I just wasn't thinking. It was my fault. I take full responsibility. It was my fault.
Okay. What I need you to do is hang out in front of this or this vehicle real quick. We have an officer caring for the child, so the child's okay. Just hang out, lean against the car right here for me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. We'll get that after. Turn around for me.
And let her know why she's being arrested.
Okay, so you're being arrested right now for neglect, child neglect, okay? So we have someone here that is going to be caring for your child, and then we will call grandma, so you will be cared for.
Right now is with Miss. She is one of our victim service advocates. She's going to care for until we can get either grandma or someone else to come take custody of him. Right now you're under arrest for child neglect, domestic violence, okay?
Neglect him.
Okay.
He's supposed to care her. Please.
Do you have the
Please, it's gonna ruin my degree.
Now, is there anything on or in your body that I should know about?
Not that I know of.
Now, if you go to jail with any
She was charged with child neglect. Child was placed with a victim services advocate, while family members were contacted. The matter proceeds through the legal system with custody and parental responsibility reviewed by appropriate authorities. Remember, short-term decisions made under pressure can still carry serious legal and safety consequences. When child care plans fail, seeking immediate alternatives is safer than attempting to manage alone. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This shows how quickly one decision can change everything. I'm glad officers focused on explaining the risks instead of escalating the situation emotionally. Stress is real, but planning backup childcare really matters. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts and like this video. If you want to continue calling out such cases, to stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Law Zone for more content.
I watched you hit your daughter twice.
Oh, really?
Which is not good.
I know. Sorry.
Not good. You hit her in the face.
Not face.
I watched it.
On September 19th, 2024, police responded after a witness reports seeing a woman strike her toddler and walk away, leaving the child near a busy road.
Hey, how are you, sir? Can we speak to you? You're not in any trouble, but can we speak to you for a moment?
Yeah.
What do you think the topic is, sir?
My daughter-in-law and her rage towards her children.
Yes. Yeah, we just watched a pretty disturbing video of of something that just recently occurred, like maybe a half hour ago, right in front of the transfer station.
She's done that 2 days now. She walks out of the house and goes where we can't see her.
Mm-hmm. Are you the grandfather of?
Yes.
Okay.
She's my daughter-in-law.
Okay.
She's from Japan. She doesn't know a lot of English.
Okay.
My son is still in Japan. He works there.
Okay.
He plans to come for a couple of weeks in October, but...
Yep.
Yeah, she's her mother. One reason she's here is to be away from her mother.
Okay.
Because she and her mother had the same relationship.
Yeah.
They yell at each other. They even physically hit each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think she's passing it down to her children, too. And I don't know what to do about it.
How many children, sir?
2 kids.
2.
Yeah.
And
the older one is the one that's the biggest problem.
Was that the child that?
Yeah.
And
I was with this morning. Yeah.
How old? 4-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay. And does that child speak English? Okay.
Better than her mother does. They've been here about 5.5 months now.
Okay.
In England.
Grandparents confirm both children ages 4 and 2 are currently safe with them. The older child shows a visible bruise on her forehead.
English is improving while they're here.
Yep, yep.
But I noticed a bruise on her forehead when she came back to the house, so something happened there.
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how old is the younger child?
2 years old.
And they're both here?
Yeah.
Both the children are safe here with you without the mom, correct?
Yeah, and my wife. She's down at the community center exercising right now, but yeah, we don't know how to deal with the situation, how to communicate with Kaho.
Mm-hmm.
She has told us things like she and my son have decided that he'll be the one that doesn't get angry, and she'll be the one that gets angry, as if somebody has to get angry, you know. And I don't know if it's part of the Japanese culture or what it is, but I can't believe that's what Japanese families are like. That they're all like that. The first time we went to visit her family in Japan, her mother hit her, and then they proceeded to have a screaming time together out in the street.
Yeah.
Officers review video footage showing the mother hitting the child and abandoning her momentarily on the roadside.
It's the first time we met the family. Yeah, so that wasn't a good introduction, but
based on the video that we watched, it's not a good video.
Oh yeah.
Okay. The mom is going to have to come with us.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
I bet she'll resist.
Yeah, she's going to have to come with us.
And then where will you go and what will you do with her? Yeah.
She's going to be charged with some criminal offenses based on the video. I've already spoken with the state's attorney. It's some serious stuff that I just witnessed that no child or no person deserves.
Yeah, right.
Police explain the seriousness of the incident consult with the state's attorney and confirm criminal charges will be filed.
None whatsoever.
Well, that's going to be tough. Hopefully you can communicate effectively with her.
We've got services for interpretation.
Japanese, yeah, right.
Yep. You can't be assaulting people, specifically children.
She has to leave the country because her visa expires. So she has a flight scheduled for October 1st to go to Japan for 2 weeks and leaving the kids here and coming back with my son on October 15th, and he'll be here for a couple weeks during some vacation time.
Okay.
Then he'll go back. Her plan is to be here for a year altogether, 2 6-month periods.
Okay.
So she has to leave the country and come back in to get a new visa.
Yep. And what's the mom's first name?
Kaho. Kaho.
There's a real good possibility that she will not be able to come back to the house based on it, because it is...
Where would she stay? In jail somewhere?
Well, we don't know.
They probably wouldn't want her in jail. She would have to figure something out. Yeah. Because that'll be the primary. Yeah, that'll be the primary residence, hopefully, as long as you guys are comfortable with it for the children, and so they don't have to go into some kind of placement.
Maybe a better idea would be they all go back to, well, might not be better for the kids, but they all go back to Japan. At the same time, stay there.
Yeah.
Officers plan a calm, non-traumatic approach to contact the mother while ensuring the children are not distressed.
We have to act on what we saw and what we have to do here.
Can't give a warning and
not for something
because
like
next
this.
time they'll be more secret about it.
Yeah, you just never know what's going on.
Because if it's happened today, how often has it happened in the past, and is it going to happen again in the future?
Yeah,
Our culture doesn't teach that.
Yeah, I know.
Do you think maybe we could ever just come out and talk to us?
Maybe I'll tell her that
or the children
there was a
awake?
video. Oh yeah, she's occupying the kids right now.
Okay. Did she see us pull in?
No.
Okay.
There's another house in the back. They're in the back house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess I'm trying to think of the best
could
way
say
to
maybe
keep it
that
not traumatic for the children.
There was maybe tell her that garage over there has video cameras and what happened.
Did she talk to you about it?
No.
No.
Was recorded and
I'd like to see the
there
daughter
are some
too.
men that want to. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
There are some policemen who want to talk to you, and I'll try to bring her out peacefully.
We definitely.
Officers speak with the child and observe the injury. The child gives a vague explanation about running and falling.
We need to see the daughter because
right.
Like you mentioned that there's a bruise on her forehead, so I need to see that.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
Maybe she's in the toilet right now.
Aren't you beautiful?
Yeah.
Hi. How are you? Are you good? Yeah. Can you look at me? What happened here? Can you tell me what happened?
Yesterday, I was running around and I fell down.
You did? Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
We just, somebody called us, and we just need to chat with you about something real quick.
Yeah. Can you step outside with us? How do you pronounce your first name?
First name?
Your first name.
Oh, Kaho.
Kaho. I'm John.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And this is my chief.
The mother, Kaho, speaks with officers stating she was angry and tried to keep distance to avoid hitting her child.
Nice to meet
Nice to meet you.
Do you have any idea why we may be here right now?
Oh yeah, today, problem. Winona has problems, so.
Yeah.
What was the problem?
She steals some food and how to explain? She is very excited in house, so we go outside.
And what happened during your walk?
I take her outside. She's running for the dump, so I'm so confused and keep distance for her.
Distance?
Distance for her, the load. So some people looks. I don't want to.
You don't want her to run out on the road?
No, I don't know how to say English. She is very excited, and because I'm angry for her, so I don't want to excite for her. So I want to keep distance in house, but she tried to go outside, and she is far away from me, but I don't want to hit her, so I keep distance for a while, maybe 10 seconds. For the load,
Officers confront her with video evidence, explaining they saw her strike the child and leave her near traffic.
No, that's not good because the load. So, but I don't want to hit her. So, but some people looks like violence.
So there's cameras out here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we watched a video of you and your daughter walking down the road.
Yeah.
And I watched you hit your daughter twice.
Oh, really?
Which is not good.
I know. Sorry.
Not good. And the bruising on her forehead, that's you hit her in the face.
Not face.
I watched it.
Oh, it looks like that.
I watched it, and then you left her on the side of the road, and you walked away without your daughter.
Oh, sorry.
This is a very, very busy road, as you know, because you live here, right?
Yeah.
Here in Vermont and in the United States, that you can't do that. That's a criminal charge.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So based upon what I saw on the video, I have to place you under arrest. Okay? And you're going to have to go to court because of what I saw.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Do you
understand that? Okay.
And how do you understand English okay?
The mother is arrested, calmly informed of her rights, and reassured that her children will remain safely with their grandparents.
And I can get an interpreter if you'd like.
Okay.
Just so you understand.
Yeah.
You take me
Yes. Yep.
over the forest.
Yeah, you're coming with me.
Oh.
And then, so we'll just go back to the police station, and then we'll figure out from there. We'll talk to a judge and figure out what happens from there. And we'll make sure that your children are safe. Are they safe here with their grandparents?
Children is safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
So if you could just remain calm, you understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We're not going to do anything bad to you. You are under arrest. Okay. You're under arrest for assaulting.
Sorry.
Yep. Yep.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, that's good.
Yes, go ahead.
No.
I just want to make sure you understand.
Arrest?
Arrest.
Me?
Under arrest, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, we have to because of assaulting your daughter.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you, I'm staying here in Biza, so I have to go back to Japan now?
That's something that you can figure out.
No.
But right now we have to place you under arrest.
Yeah.
Arrest?
Arrest, yeah.
Yep.
And then we'll take you right here to the station. Your children will be safe. And then you just have to go in front of a judge.
I'm crazy.
Safe.
Have I crazy? Kids have to stay away.
They're fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, kids are stay for April.
You were going to go back October 1st.
And then come back.
And then come back. Is that what your plan was?
Yeah, but.
Yep. That doesn't mean that can't happen.
Right.
Do I type?
Yeah, no, please.
Okay. Do I push here?
No,
Okay.
please.
So an arrest is not a criminal record. There's a lot of things that happen right before you have a criminal record.
Oh, me?
Okay. So just because I take you under arrest does not mean that you have a criminal record right now.
Okay.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Court first. You have to go to.
I don't know how to use that app, but
you have to go to court first. There's a whole proceeding through the court system, okay, and you don't have a criminal record until the proceeding is final.
Can I back to here?
So we don't decide that. That's not. That's something that you can talk to the judge in the court about.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I say bye bye to?
No.
Okay.
No. So just so what we have to do, I just want to make sure you understand. So when we arrest somebody and we bring them back to the police station, it's right down the road, not far. We have to place them and we have to put handcuffs on them. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Are you okay with that? I just want to make sure you understand. Okay. And we're just going to go behind your back. Yep. And if it hurts, tell me. Okay.
Other than your cell phone?
Not signal.
Nothing?
Oh, your phone is here.
Phone?
No.
Okay.
Have I never met daughter? Can I back today?
We don't know. That's not up to us. We'll call a judge, and he will tell us what to do.
Okay.
All right. Do you have anything?
She was charged with domestic assault and cruelty to a child as stated at the end of the video. Arrest based on eyewitness video, observed injury, and risk to the child near a roadway. Both children remained in the care of grandparents. No immediate placement required. Remember, physical discipline and emotional loss of control can quickly cross into criminal child endangerment. Witness video evidence plays a critical role in protecting children and ensuring accountability. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. The officers were incredibly patient, especially with the language barrier. It's heartbreaking, but I'm glad the kids are safe with their grandparents. This shows how dangerous anger can become when kids are involved. I think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming.
Did he say where the round was, where it was shot? There's blood everywhere. I'm trying to find the kid.
I was upstairs in bed. I don't know what happened. I just went downstairs, seen the blood, and grabbed it.
On November 6, 2025, police responded to a chaotic scene after a young child suffered a gunshot injury inside a home.
Man, what's going on? He got my drawer. He got my gun. I blew his hand off.
Do you want to sit down? Q96, it's going to be a small child
Officers confirmed the weapon was a 9mm Glock handgun belonging to the child's father. The child is alive, but has severe hand injuries.
Shot himself in the hand with the father's handgun, I believe. He is alive currently. Glock 9. 6, advising it's a Glock 9mm handgun. Hello. Got a probably 3 or 4-year-old that blew his hand off with a 9mm. I talked to the dad briefly. He said he got into his. I said, "What is going on, man?" I said he got into my nightstand and got my gun and blew his hand off. He's crying.
Emergency responders determined the injury is critical, requiring air medical transport. The child is conscious and crying.
And screaming and can feel him sticking needles in him, and eyes are open, but it's pretty gnarly injury. I have Tim down there now, but we're going to have to... Briner got to report the kid was dead. He's far from dead, but it is pretty serious. He's definitely going to have to go on a helicopter. I've only seen a little bit of the hand, but the little bit that I've seen looks not good.
Sir, I'm sorry to be this way, but I'm going to the hospital.
Sir, I need you to stay here.
I can't. I got to go see my son.
Listen to me. Is the house open?
I just shut it.
Is it unlocked?
I don't know. I live right here.
In this 4th 5?
Yep.
Okay, so whatever happened here at your son's house?
Just right here.
Okay.
My son is screaming for me.
I know. I hear you. So you were not in this house today?
No.
Okay. What do we got? 5-year-old autistic kid lives here with dad. Kid got in the dad's nightstand, pulled the knife.
Officers secure the scene while learning the father transported the child to the hospital himself, leaving visible blood trails from the home.
9mm out of dad's nightstand and blew his hand off.
Blew the kid's hand off?
Yep. Kid shot himself in the hand.
We tend to believe that story. Is that... I don't know. I don't know these people.
I don't either.
All right. Camera there.
Yep.
At least one.
So this is Grandpa that lives here.
Grandpa lives here?
Yep.
Okay.
Grandpa went to the hospital with Dad. They got blood coming out of the house going over to where, and then there's peel-out marks where the dad left. And
yeah, I was in radio when the call came out. I'm like, oh shit, I better haul ass on 81. I don't know if it was a kid abduction or what was going on.
Yeah.
I was in radio. They had like 4 to 6 911, like nobody talking, and at least one talking, and it was like, oh God,
yeah, there was, yeah. Called 9. No, still alive.
Okay.
Hello. So I've not been in the house, but I got blood coming out of the front door, dripping down the drive or the sidewalk over to where the car left. Then I got...
Investigators established that the child described as autistic accessed the firearm from inside the residence without adult supervision.
Peel-out marks, which is consistent with everybody said Dad was running around banging on doors telling people call 911. Then he said, I'm taking the kid to the hospital myself, and loaded him up and took off. So I got crime scene tape up. I got drops of blood coming out of the house, down the sidewalk into where the car was parked. I have not been in the house. I believe it's locked up. I haven't even tried to open the door yet. So, is there anyone else at your house, man?
I brought my daughter with me.
I seen her out in the waiting room. What's your name?
Are you good?
Metro.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Yeah? It's good.
Yo, they're trying to get a hold of our investigation staff. Kid's alive.
The father gives consent for officers to enter and search the home, including recovering missing fingers and securing firearms.
He was born in 2017. He ain't gonna have a whole hand. Are we on a 3-way here? I was just gonna call and tell Dalton just to meet me out here because the dude is out here. He's given consent to go in the house to at least go retrieve the fingers. I'm gonna talk to the dad a little bit more and see if we can get consent to go in and do the whole thing. He said they could go in there, didn't he?
Did you guys get a hold of Mom?
I don't know if they've gotten a hold of the mom or not yet.
Okay.
I know they're going in there to try to find the fingers. Can they go in there and process it and?
Anything you want, man.
Okay, they can go in there and get the gun and secure the gun. Okay. If anything changes with that, let me know. Okay.
No.
All right. Okay, he gave us consent to do whatever we needed to do in there. I told him to get a hold of me if that changes, but as of right now, you have full access to do whatever the police need to do in there, is what he told me. So.
Inside the home, officers locate blood throughout the residence, a spent casing, a magazine, and signs of the shooting's path.
All right, we'll go in and check. Let my dispatch know too.
Henry 13 just got a call from the hospital. They're wanting digits recovered from the child. We're going to go in the house and see if we can recover those.
Sheriff's office, make yourself known if you're in here.
Police department. You got blood right here. Blood there. All through here. Upstairs looks like. Okay. Oh wait, there's a casing right there. Oh, there's a magazine. Here's blood. Here's blood up here, Chad. Stops right here though. Got nothing.
That's an attic.
No blood there.
Okay.
Did he say where the round was, where it was shot? There's blood everywhere. I'm trying to find the kid's fingers.
Man, I have officers on the phone that are down at your house. Where did the fingers?
I don't know. I was upstairs in bed. I don't know what happened. I just went downstairs, seen the blood, and grabbed him and started yelling.
Okay, so you don't know where he got.
It was in the bathroom, and the top cabinet is where it was. But
Okay.
It was inside of a holster wrapped around something inside the towel.
Okay, all right. It was in the bathroom in a top cabinet, and it was like wrapped in cloths and stuff. So it should be. I mean, I believe he doesn't know because he woke up and heard this.
Oh, here's one.
Oh, you got something?
Yep, got it. Right here. How many fingers are we missing? We found one.
How many fingers are we missing? 2? We're missing 2.
Ring and pinky.
Ring and pinky fingers.
Ring and pinky. We got one finger. We're still looking for the other one.
Witnesses and family members describe the father panicking, asking neighbors to call 911, and immediately leaving for the hospital.
Okay, it's going to be just like the tip of the pinky finger.
Tip of the pinky? Okay, I got one whole finger. And looks like a tip of maybe a bone. Okay, yeah, we'll do some digging. But I think I've got a bone here.
Okay. All I got is a big Ziploc bag.
That'll work.
I'm trying to find a different plastic bag though to wrap.
Yeah, that's the tip of his finger.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to
So they have.
I'll do it.
They said they got one finger and then they got maybe the tip of the other one.
That should be.
Could you just come out here real quick?
It's
He's requesting you take.
Or you just take them all.
Take all the guns.
Oh, yeah, we'll deal with that in time. With everything, we got it. It'll be all right, man. We'll get through it. But
Nothing else. If you find something else, just let me know. Here's this. Okay. Here's this. All right.
She 187, what's the address?
fingers.
Okay.
Good. Did you talk to an officer out at the hospital just now, or?
No.
Okay. Can you give me a statement on what happened this morning with you, or?
All I got was a phone call, and I couldn't understand one word.
From your son?
From my son. He was it was screaming.
The father is read his rights. He declines to give a detailed statement at that time, but cooperates with evidence collection.
And then there was a kid in the background.
Yeah.
and he said, I can't actually say what he said.
Okay,
It was just so much screaming.
I'm recording this right now. I just want to let you know. Okay.
That's fine.
So you were at your daughter's house. You got a phone call from your son, and he's screaming frantically.
He's frantically.
Okay.
Frankly.
Okay.
And he says and I heard him say, I can't get 911 on the phone. And so I first thing I did is I hung up, called 911, told him the address, and I came here. He was already gone to the hospital.
That's when I pulled up.
When you pulled up, I was out panicked.
Okay.
Your son's on his way to Springfield.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Grandson's okay, though? I mean, he's going to be okay?
I hope so.
Lost some fingers. How long does this, I asked you, usually take? I'm just clean up. I would like to get in there and clean up the blood before he comes home and sees it all.
Just be a few hours.
Just a few hours, okay.
Yeah. Hello? Can I talk to you for a second? Sure. What did you see or what happened this morning? First of all, I'm recording this, okay?
Okay, no problem. Well, I heard somebody knock my door. They slammed it like very hard.
Yeah.
It was like around 7:30.
Yeah.
And so when I dressed up, I just saw the lady. She was here, and she told me, "Can you please call 911? Something's happening." Okay. So I went inside. I grabbed my phone and started calling 911. But then I saw that guy from here. He took the two kids. I saw a boy and a girl.
Yeah.
And he left his car. That's all.
You didn't see any blood or anything like that? Nothing?
No, nothing. Well, one of the kids was crying.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Okay.
Dalton.
Tim Mitro.
Nice to meet you. Does your camera work? Just to corroborate
Yes,
that,
it does. But my daughter just called me, and my sensitivity's not on. The only thing it captured, you're going to have to get her or you take my phone or whatever to get it.
Okay.
The only thing it captured, I believe, was him. This ain't his blood.
I'm guessing he sits here and plays video games and watches the kids play on the cameras.
He does have cameras in his home. I'm not sure if they record.
Like
he
a live
uses
feed.
them to just like if he goes upstairs, because the one that got injured is autistic.
Okay.
So he can't be left alone, clearly. But he usually has them like just on live view, so he can go to different monitor. But I will ask him. I asked my mom, because she's with them, if they record, and if they did record anything, so we can get you.
Yeah, and I saw the DVR behind the TV for it.
Okay.
So that's, I guess, kind of where we're at. We're just going to collect the evidence.
Okay.
And go from there.
I know I just talked to you the other day. I have a camera, okay, so this is recording. I want to read your rights real quick, okay, just because I want to talk to you, okay?
Go to Springfield, don't I?
Yeah, we're waiting on the helicopter's got to come, so.
Him, I know, but do I get to go?
We'll figure it all out here shortly.
All right, I'm going to read your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand those rights?
Yeah.
Okay. So just I know you probably explained it, but
Investigators allow the father to travel to the hospital while advising the case remains under investigation.
Don't take it rude or anything, but I'm not saying anything.
At all?
Because I don't know. I just woke up.
Okay, so tell me what happened when you woke up then, I guess.
Don't take this rude, but I'm going to remain silent.
Okay. That is fine. I'll let you get back with wherever you gotta get, right?
All right, we're all done.
Okay.
I locked the door just so we don't have to get a hold of him to hear him say that you guys can go in there. So, any questions for us or anything?
Well, there's two questions, but I don't know how to ask them.
Yeah.
He just got the phone call from mother,
Mm-hmm.
and he's going to lose 4 fingers.
Okay. Honestly, I'm glad. I'm glad he's losing 4 fingers and he's alive.
All right,
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call.
Do you want to go to Springfield? Is that what you're wanting to do? Let me call my investigator real quick, see if they need you for anything else.
Oh, thanks, Phil. I appreciate you.
Hello. You don't need him for anything else then right now, because he's thinking he's going to jail. So he can go to Springfield as far as you guys are concerned, right? All right, I'll talk to him. Nick, I talked to the investigators. They said you go to Springfield if you want to. It's not probably the last time that you'll hear from them, but you can go ahead and go down there with your kid, and then we know you're not skipping town. So.
Can you take this?
I love you, baby. It's okay. Hey, they're just talking to me. It's okay.
Yep, we're just talking. So it's not, we're not saying it's over, obviously.
The father was charged with failure to properly secure a firearm and child endangerment. Officers seized the 9mm handgun, spent casing and home surveillance system as evidence. The case proceeded via a notice to appear with further review by investigators and prosecutors. Remember, firearms must always be secured, especially in homes with young children or special needs dependents. A single lapse in safe storage can lead to irreversible life-altering consequences. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. This is every parent's worst nightmare. Secure your guns, no excuses. I'm just grateful the child survived. Think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming.
Oh my God, what's happening?
No, we were going to leave the baby in the car and then hopefully your mom can meet the tow truck driver. What kind of question is that?
On January 3, 2025, store security and deputies stop a couple suspected of shoplifting Pokemon trading cards from a Target store.
I had to come pick him up.
Please.
Either you call. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? See how we get this car from?
Yes, sir.
You have ID on you?
No, sir.
What's the first name?
William.
Em, you have your ID on you? So, pick the bad time to steal Pokemon cards, man.
Yeah. Just so we have an understanding, she had nothing.
She was right there with you when you concealed it.
It is totally me, man. Totally me, 100% me.
You guys put the Pokemon cards into the...
Yeah, I will give them back, of course. This 100% my responsibility, sir. Seriously, honest to God, I am short on my rent, and they are very valuable, and I was hoping to pull something in order to make up the money.
Officers locate the stolen merchandise, concealed inside the vehicle. Attempts to resolve the situation by paying are rejected.
I'm short on my rent.
And were the cards in the car?
Yeah.
I know, where are they
in the back seat.
And by the way, you can't say she had nothing to do with it when that's all you guys came in here for. And you concealed it right next to her. Just so you're aware of that.
I get what you're saying. I'm just saying she would have never...
It doesn't matter. She was right there with you.
Say, I don't know if it would make a difference. Is there any way we could pay for it?
This isn't an apology type of thing. You've already done it. You know what I mean? There's no way to just suddenly, hey, we're going to pay for everything because we got caught by the police.
Yes, sir.
You ever been arrested before?
Yes, sir.
For what?
When I was a juvenile, stealing from Walmart, or being with somebody who was stealing from Walmart when I was a juvenile, and for battery as an adult.
This poor man, stay under arrest.
Yes, sir. Could I call my dad to come get my son, please?
Yeah, we'll figure it out in a second, okay?
Call my dad, call my son.
Do not call anybody right now. We don't want to make it a bigger scene than it has to be, okay?
Sit back down.
So have a seat back in the car for me, okay?
Okay, but can I ask a question?
Have a seat back in the car, okay? Go, have a seat. Just keep your hands on the dash, keep the door open, okay? Yeah, you also stole stuff with the baby.
Yeah, but...
That doesn't matter.
I have the money for it. I can pay
Yeah, but
it.
as I just told him, that's not how this works. You don't get to suddenly want to pay for things after you get caught by the police. It's not how it works.
You can literally see that I yelled for him. Like, I
He
literally...
walked right over to you and concealed it. It's on video.
I literally...
You watched him do everything. You cannot...
Officers confirm the couple's 1-year-old child was left unattended in the car during the theft.
Don't.
Okay, alright.
I just... You also have all this stuff here. It's the same situation.
Well, that's bulk from what we had before. And we were going through all of our stuff.
Regardless, it's the same situation.
Am I gonna know when his bail is, or does he have to call me, or?
Just wait, okay? You're asking all these questions, and you're just as involved as he is. You understand that, right?
Yeah, but
Okay, so stop asking questions, being that you might be taking the ride with him. Do you understand what's going on here?
Yeah,
Do you understand what's going on?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so stop acting stupid, okay?
Oh, well, I'm just curious.
Okay. And understand you're doing this with a kid. That elevates things.
Yeah, but can I talk to him?
No. Because even if he doesn't want to press charges, the state of Florida does. You're going to give me a test test?
Thank you. I'll go get the press one.
We got child endangerment on both of them.
For what?
They had their How old is your child? A year old, then they use the stroller as cover for it. All right, Courtney, you want to call your father to come pick up your son?
Why am I going to...
Yeah, you're being placed under arrest.
Wait, why? Please, can I just be with the baby?
I am being a decent human. You literally put your 1-year-old child in danger.
How is that?
You cannot do a crime and then nothing happens because you have a kid.
It is happening. I'm going to
You use
jail.
the stroller as a ways of concealing the
And I'm
merchandise.
getting arrested.
And so is she. I need you to call your dad to come pick him up.
Please.
Either you call him or I call DCF and we'll wait. I'll take the phone.
A family member is contacted and agrees to take custody of the toddler at the scene.
To call him and tell him?
What's his first name?
His name is William.
Okay.
Please, I just want to be with my baby, please.
You can deal with him when you get out. But you are going to jail tonight, okay?
Please, I can't be without him.
Hello?
Hey, how are you? This is Deputy Counsel, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I'm with Courtney right now. Where are you located currently?
Okay. Right now I'm in,
Okay, can you come over to the Target on...
Absolutely.
All right, just to make you aware, before you show up on scene, you're going to be taking custody of her child. She's being placed under arrest.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So we're over here right now. About how long do you think you'll be?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, can I get you the exact... Can you look at the exact address? Stop. All right, perfect.
Yes, I'll be there in 15 minutes.
All right, Judy, thank you. I'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye.
Can I ask a question, please?
Go ahead, Cody.
Before you put me on arrest, please. Oh my God, what's happening? I can't get tired.
Okay.
First thing, are they gonna post my bail tonight?
I don't know. I don't control bond. So what I am going to do is obviously I don't want to place you in handcuffs in case we still need to, worry about the child. So as of right now, I'm going to keep you out of handcuffs, okay? But I do need you to take out everything out of your pockets. I need your key lanyard. I need all that stuff, okay?
Okay,
Listen to what I'm telling you, Courtney, okay? I'm being very cordial with you. I don't want to place you in handcuffs until your mom gets here. That way she can take custody of your son, okay?
Can I grab him and hold him, please?
Not right now. Because I don't want to get into a fight with you over your child.
No,
okay?
no, you're
that's
not.
What,
I swear.
I'm not going to give you that option to. Okay?
No, you never
What's
would.
your son's first name? So if you want to go ahead and just have a seat right on this curb for me.
Can I please hold him?
Have a seat on the curb, Courtney. Thank you. Have a seat on the curb, Courtney. Thank you. I don't want to handcuff you in case you need to do something with your child. Okay? So just bear with us. All right? All right. Well, you have the right to remain silent and answer any of my questions. Any statement can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand your rights, Will?
Sure.
You guys are stealing these to sell them because you got a ton of cards in there. You can't sell those?
Yeah,
I'm kind of confused, man, because that's like a...
Yeah, a lot of them, like the ones
that... They're like commons and stuff?
Yeah, they're not worth a lot. The ones that are in...
The parents explain they intended to resell Pokemon cards to cover rent. Store staff confirm concealment on surveillance video.
Sleeves we have valued.
Okay,
we're $100 short of what our rent is, and that's why
I got you. And how do you sell them? You just sell them locally?
Offer
up and stuff?
Yeah, offer up or
no
to
way.
a game
They're that
shop.
Crazy?
Yeah, or to a game shop. They buy them immediately for cash.
Okay, fair enough. All right, is there anything in that car besides Pokemon cards I need to be aware of?
Sir.
Okay.
No.
So while I'm searching the rest of the car, inside of not only that, we have a cigar, right? That was on your side.
Okay.
So
I'll take responsibility.
Well, I don't want you to take responsibility. Is it yours or is it hers?
The cigarette's mine.
Okay, so that's fine. Yeah. And then there's a Milwaukee lunchbox. What's in the lunchbox?
A Milwaukee lunchbox.
Yeah, it's like. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's so it's a red lunchbox. Is what's in that lunchbox yours?
Actually, we went fishing earlier today with my niece and two of my friends, and they left the lunchbox and a fishing pole in my car.
But it's unzipped and open. That's what I'm saying. Like that's weird.
Yeah,
and inside of there we have pills and a pill bottle and a pill cutter. Yeah.
No, sir.
So the lunchbox isn't yours?
No, sir.
Is it going to be hers?
No, it is not hers.
Are you guys going to other stores and doing this?
No, sir.
So how do you guys have so many Pokemon cards?
No, I've been collecting for years.
That's what I'm saying, but these are all new cards, man. They're all like fresh out of the pack.
Yeah, the ones that I have?
The ones that are in there, yeah.
Yeah, those are, if you see the sleeves in there, they're all sleeved up, well taken care of, fresh out of my binder. We were taking...
Officers reiterate that concern for the child must come before criminal activity. Both adults are informed of impending arrest.
Them to the game store, Prodigy.
Okay, cool. All right, be right back with you. All right, so Courtney, so I talked to him. the stuff that we found in the back seat here, is there anything else that belongs to Target?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Well, it's a yes or no. Like, you should be aware of what, I mean, you decided to take those out of the...
Yeah, but no.
No? Okay.
No.
Is there anything in here that doesn't belong to you guys?
No.
Were you guys somewhere with some friends about fishing or something?
Yes.
Okay. Did they leave anything in the car?
They might have, yeah.
Okay. Who was driving when you guys got here?
I was driving when we got here.
There's a lunchbox on the driver's side floorboard. Is that yours?
No, he just moved that over there when we got to the car.
Okay, have you ever seen that lunchbox before?
It's his lunchbox.
Okay, it's his lunchbox. All right.
Yeah, he takes it to work.
Okay.
But I don't mess with the lunchbox because he usually keeps it in the work truck.
Okay. Do you guys have any kind of prescriptions or anything like that?
Any what?
Prescriptions? Like pill prescriptions?
No, I don't. No, he don't. Not that I'm aware of.
All right, so if there's pills in that lunchbox, whose pills would those be?
My guess would be his because I don't touch the lunchbox. Like I said, he usually keeps it in the work truck, and he brought it with when we went fishing.
Okay, they're not taking that until my baby's out, right?
No, we were going to leave the baby in the car, and then hopefully your mom can meet the tow truck driver. What kind of question is that? Because you're asking, why would you ask that question?
Because my baby was still in the car and
obviously, we're still searching the car. Just sit there and listen to what's going on, okay? Just sit there. You don't need to keep asking questions, all right? If you were so worried about your baby, you wouldn't be doing this with your child. That's what the bottom line is.
The child is safely transferred to a family member while deputies prepare transport and towing procedures.
A mistake.
Yeah. So, did Judy call you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm Judy's husband.
Okay, perfect. All right. So yeah.
Can I get him so he stops crying?
Yeah. That's what I was
Thank
walking
you.
over.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
What are you doing? Huh? What's going on? You see all the lights?
Hi guys. Thanks for taking care of it.
You got
a car seat?
They are being arrested, and it is a felony charge. Okay.
Who's being arrested?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Yeah, both of them. They put their son at risk.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So again, I can't go into the full nature of it, but either way, they're both being transported to the jail tonight, and their car is being towed.
Okay.
All right.
You have anything sharp on you that's gonna stick or poke me?
No, sir.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
have anything.
Okay. Just gonna put your hands behind your back, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have bracelets on him.
And this one?
There's one on this one.
Okay. I'm just gonna take them off right now.
Thank
You
you.
want me to leave them in your car?
No, that's okay.
You want to take them with you?
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to get my car out. I don't know if I'll be able to afford to. The only one working.
Okay. What about the ring? You want the ring to go with
Oh,
it?
it's my engagement ring. Yes, please. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
All right. Take a seat. Hey, remember what I told you, okay? Think about your child when you get out.
Okay.
A little bit better, all right?
Okay, I'm so sorry. I really am. I'm so sorry.
You want me to roll the window down for you?
Yeah, because I feel like I'm about to have a panic attack.
All right, just breathe. Just breathe. You'll be okay.
So I was here in reference to a shoplifting that almost occurred. While we're here, we observed this gentleman here, selecting multiple packs of Pokemon trading cards.
Correct.
Okay. And then can you just kind of give me a rundown of what we were observing?
So while we were going through video review of the other incident, a individual coming into the store with selections of Pokemon cards in the toy aisle, and then making their way over to the baby infant care aisle, where there was another subject, and both subjects then had merchandise concealed under their cart. Right after making their way and meeting together with the other subject, white female, they both proceeded to exit out of the east side exit.
Okay, and what else did they conceal?
They concealed larger packs of Pokemon cards. The cards were then concealed under the baby stroller, on top of the baby stroller with the, looks like a blanket, and then moved around. Yeah, and then moved around on the cart.
And then who made those selections?
That was the female subject.
So female. Okay, so, and she had walked in prior to the male actually walking in?
Correct.
Okay, and then he came in after and then walked out with her. And at that point is when I make contact with them. Yes. You know, in order to identify them at that point.
Both adults were arrested for shoplifting and child endangerment. The toddler was released to a family member at the scene. Store surveillance footage supported prosecution, and the case proceeded through standard criminal channels. Remember, financial stress does not justify illegal actions, especially when a child's safety is involved. Leaving a child unattended during criminal activity dramatically increases legal consequences. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. All that risk for Pokemon cards unreal. The baby deserved better choices from both parents. This went from petty theft to something much more serious. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the body cam captures next saves a life pause and comment what you do here.